Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Today, we'll learn how to establish a secure VPN connection on your Android device, enhancing your online privacy and security. We'll use two apps, an OpenVPN client and a compatible server application. Remember, responsible VPN use is paramount. Always adhere to your provider's terms of service and relevant laws and regulations. Step 1. Acquiring the OpenVPN client. Begin by opening the Google Play Store and searching for OpenVPN. Download and install a reputable OpenVPN client application. We recommend OpenVPN Connect for its reliability and ease of use. This app will act as the interface to connect to your chosen VPN server. Step 2. Installing the VPN server application. Next, return to the Play Store and search for VPN Server. Install a server application compatible with OpenVPN that also functions as a client. If you have a specific application in mind, mention it here for clarity. This application will provide the server infrastructure for your VPN connection. Step 3. Configuring the VPN server. Open the VPN Server application. You'll find a list of available servers. Tap the refresh button to ensure the list is current. Choose your preferred server location. For this tutorial, we'll use Japan as an example. Once selected, tap the Save button to confirm your choice. Step 4. Establishing the VPN connection. Now, open your OpenVPN client application. Tap the plus icon to add a new VPN configuration profile. Locate and select the configuration file that was either automatically generated or downloaded from your VPN server application during the previous step. Step 5. Connecting to the VPN server. Finally, tap the Connect button. Your device will now connect to the VPN server you selected, establishing a secure, encrypted connection. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a VPN connection. Remember, while a VPN significantly enhances your online privacy, it's not a guarantee of complete anonymity. Always practice responsible online behavior. For further assistance and to join our community, please find links to our Telegram and WhatsApp channels in the video description. We encourage you to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Please leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching.